Here it is, March 2nd. Haven't had much snow all winter, and now we have about 8 to 10 inches, and it's coming down like crazy, which is nice. Here's my car. Looks like I'm going to be doing a little bit of shoveling, but the plow has been down the street. Doesn't look like it's St. Patrick's Day weather, but we have our flag hanging up there. And I'm going to be shoveling out my house, probably my next door neighbor, to help him out. It looks, it's quiet, it sounds quiet, it looks beautiful. Look at that. And they're predicting another 2 to 3 inches by noontime. Come on, Patrick, let's go. Come on, good girl.
Oh, fun.
You getting it?
Yeah.
Let's see, come on, let's go. Come on, 4-wheel drive. She's not doing too well, huh?
Nope.
That's all you can do. She's doing okay. Hey, how are you? I think I might have to shovel a little spot for you there, dog, before we lose you.
Oh, look at her. Hey, Patches, look.
Is this fun or is this fun?
Yeah, you tell me when I drag you through the snow and your you-know-what gets cold and wet.
Okay.
Oh, she's going to the bathroom.
Well, here's what the driveway looks like after a little bit of shoveling. The snow is not too heavy, but glad I got it done because tonight it's supposed to drop down way below freezing and everything's going to turn into a brick of ice here. But by Friday, they said the temperature will be 50 degrees, well above freezing, sun will be out, most of this will be gone because that March sun is really, really warm. But for right now, the neighborhood looks pretty empty here. Streets are plowed, so that's good. Once the sun hits this blacktop, this asphalt surface, and tomorrow, the next day, it'll melt it down to nothing. This remaining ice will be gone. But for now, it was fun seeing a big snowstorm. Haven't seen one in a couple of years here, so this was good. I dug a little path there so my mailman could deliver my mail to my mailbox. And that's it until next year. We take a look at the thermostat, thermometer outside. It's just below 32 degrees or 0 degrees Celsius. So we know that at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's just heading down, probably to a low of, they said about 20 degrees, which would be like -8 Celsius.